So let's say you're an A player, you're at a company right now, you're in the C-suite and you're going, what's the next step? Right. I could stay in this company that I'm at and I could wait for somebody to leave or die or whatever. And hopefully I get a shot at the CEO spot. Or I could look to go to a great company and jump to the C-suite over there and, see if I can get into the CEO chair eventually there. Or I could put my hat in the ring for something like that. How do you know if you're the right, like assume that you're an A player. How do you know if you have the right disposition, character, traits, things like that to go in and be a good turnaround specialist?
You remember that poster? It was like an eagle on a branch and it said, "Patience my ass. I want to go kill something."
Okay.
If you just put turnaround CEO on that poster,
okay,
that's kind of it.
Okay. Yes. So they got to be a killer eagle that is impatient, as hell.
Look, I think it's got to be a good leader. I think it's somebody who can understand. It's somebody who can, you think about, look, it's Patton, it's Patton, it's MacArthur, it's people who can Nimitz, different management styles. Jack Welch to some degree, to a big degree. Jack, they were all pretty. I don't want to say they were like, you knew what you were getting. They had a management style that got people to rise to the occasion. No excuses. This is the goal. This is the mission. We got to get there. Failure is not an option. So it's somebody who's got to be able to lead, to be able to have that style, to be able to do that, who's comfortable getting out in front of 500, 1,000, 10,000 people, whatever the company is. And they're saying, all right, we're going to make a lot of hard decisions. There's right ways and there's wrong ways to do it. We're going to make hard decisions, but I'm going to clearly outline the goal of the company. Here's the vision for what we're going for. And here's the purpose. So now you have vision, you have purpose, you're able to make the hard decisions. That's the person who, and look, I don't mind that somebody's money motivated.
No, of course not.
I don't mind. Hey, look, everybody says, the CEO gets a lot of money. Well, CEO of a failing company that may not be in business in 3 years unless something changes radically. If they make a lot of money, I don't care. And all the people that they bring in, and if they motivate them to make a pile of money, I'm okay with that too.
Agreed.